Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, northern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles southeast of Columbia City to 8 miles northwest of Markle to Huntington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Wayne, Huntington, Ossian, Andrews, Markle, Boyd, Roanoke, Zanesville, Uniondale, 9 Mile, Yoder, Bowerstown, Poe, Hessen Castle, Kingsland, and Man. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 0 and 12. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 285 and 300. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, Huntington, and Wells.